What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see all participants while screen sharing in Zoom quickly and easily. First, open the Zoom app and join or start a meeting. Next, click the Share Screen button located in the meeting toolbar. Select the screen or application window you want to share. If needed, you can enable options such as share sound or optimize for video clip before starting your screen share. Once you're ready, click Share. After your screen is being shared, move your cursor to the top of the screen to reveal the Zoom toolbar, then click the Participants button. A Participants panel will appear, allowing you to view everyone in the meeting while continuing to share your screen. And that's it. That's how to see all participants while screen sharing in Zoom. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!